Hey there, fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey to one of the most captivating places on earth, Death Valley National Park. We will be exploring stunning landscapes, iconic landmarks, and immersing ourselves in the raw beauty of this desert paradise. So buckle up and join us as we take you on an unforgettable journey. Before starting this journey, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the excitement. Let's go! We kicked off this journey by catching an early morning flight from Raleigh. And let me tell you, the aerial views were absolutely mind-blowing. The vast expanse of desert landscape left us in awe. After a 6-hour flight, we finally touched down in Las Vegas around noon. Stepping out of the plane, the vibrant and electrifying Vegas vibe hit us immediately, and we couldn't help but soak in the magic and charm of this incredible city. Now, normally you would tempted to try your luck at the casinos in the airport, but we were on a mission. We quickly made our way to the nearby car rental, eager to get on the road and begin our adventure. Of course, being a popular tourist destination, getting our hands on a car took a bit longer than expected, but after a 2-hour wait, we were finally ready to hit the road. As we drove towards Death Valley National Park, the scenery became increasingly breathtaking. The rugged beauty of the desert landscape surrounded us, creating a sense of awe and wonder. Before you embark on your journey, here are some important things to know and a few tips and tricks to make the most out of your visit. First, plan your itinerary. Death Valley offers a plethora of attractions, so plan your itinerary in advance. Allocate enough time to explore and appreciate the beauty of the park. Tip number 2 is check the road conditions. Before your trip, check the National Park Service website or call ahead to get updates on road conditions. Another important point is timing. Here, timing is crucial. Death Valley is known for its extreme temperature, so plan your trip wisely. The summer months can be scorching hot, with temperatures soaring well above 100 Fahrenheit. It's best to visit during the milder seasons like spring or fall, when the temperatures are more bearable. After an exhilarating drive, we arrived at our first stop, Furnace Creek Vista Center. The desert sun beat down on us as we stepped out of the car, but we were filled with excitement to explore the wonders that awaited us. The Furnace Creek Vista Center serves as an excellent starting point for any Death Valley adventure. Here we can gather information about the park's history, geology, and wildlife, as well as obtain any necessary permits or map. It's a great opportunity to learn more about this unique desert environment before we dive in. After an eventful day of exploration, it's time to unwind and rest. We make our way to the Amargosa Opera House, where we will be spending the night. It is the perfect place to relax, reflect on our day's adventures, and prepare for another exciting day in Death Valley. Which reminds me my another tip, which is prepare for remote conditions. Death Valley is vast and remote, so make sure to have a full tank of gas and stock up on supplies before entering the park. Services and amenities are limited, so it is expensive as well. So it's better to be self-sufficient with food, water, and any necessary equipment. Now it's early morning and we are equipped with all the information, so let's hit the road. And now we are going to our first point, Zabreski Point. It is a must-visit location for photographers and nature enthusiasts. Sunrise is awesome here. As we hike up the trail, we are rewarded with the stunning panoramic views of the eroded badlands and colorful rock formations. It's truly a photographer's paradise. Take a moment to capture the vibrant hues and rugged landscape surrounding us. After soaking in the mesmerizing scenery, we make our way to Mesquite Sand Dunes, a hidden gem within the park. The heat is starting to rise, so we make our way to the Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes. These expansive sand dunes offer a unique experience where we can channel our inner adventurer. Whether it's sliding down the sandy slopes or capturing breathtaking photos with the dunes as our backdrop, Mesquite Sand Dune is a must-visit spot in Death Valley. With the arid desert climate, it is essential to stay hydrated. I will highly recommend to have a plenty of water with you and drink regularly to prevent dehydration. Also, don't forget to pack sunscreen, a hat, a lightweight breathable clothing to protect yourself from the sun. With this tip, let's move to our next artistic wonderland spot, which is art.But. Along this scenic drive, you will find an amazing viewpoint where you can park your car and see the sceneries. It is a vibrant and colorful geological formation with hills adorned in various hues, reds, yellows, greens, and purples. This palette of natural pigments is a testament of the park's geological diversity, and it's truly a sight to behold. If you have enough time, you can take a beautiful hike of art.But, but I would recommend to follow the rules and stay on designated trails. To preserve the fragile desert ecosystem, it's crucial to stay on designated trails and avoid venturing into restricted areas. Respect any signage and follow the park rules to help preserve the park for future generations. And follow no leave trace policy. Death Valley offers stunning photo opportunities at every turn. Don't forget to bring your camera or smartphone to capture the mesmerizing landscapes. Golden hour and sunrise-sunset are particularly magical times for photography, so plan your visit accordingly. As the day progressed, we head towards the lowest point in North America, Badwater Basin. It is a vast salt flat stretching as far as the eye can see. Walking across this otherworldly landscape, we are amazed by the salt crystals sparkling beneath our feet. It's a surreal experience and one that shouldn't be missed during Death Valley. But I will suggest you to go either early morning or late evening, otherwise it would be really painful. Avoid the day spending in the open areas or Badwater Basin area. It is very hot. This reminds me another very useful tip, which is check the weather updates. Weather condition can change rapidly in Death Valley. Keep an eye on weather forecast and be prepared for sudden storms or flash floods. So right now we are walking at Badwater Basin. It is 200 feet below sea level, and you can see this dead land which is full of salt. So now we are back from Badwater Basin trail. It is quite flat, but it's currently 10 a.m. and it's too hot. Right now it's a 2nd May and here temperature is like 42 degrees Celsius. So if you are planning to come here, prefer to come early, so it would be better. But this place is amazing. And that concludes our one-day adventure in Death Valley National Park. From the surreal landscapes of Badwater Basin and Zabriskie Point to the vibrant hues of art.But and the magical Mesquite Sand Dunes, this park offers a plethora of natural wonders that are truly awe-inspiring. We hope you enjoyed joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Until next time, happy exploring. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comment below. And if you have been to Death Valley, we would love to hear about your experience. As always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Safe travels!